I've got it going now.
You've got to go in now. Right. He's huffing and puffing because he's been walking downhill.
Yeah, down this uphill.
Down this uphill, yeah.
Yeah, one of
my famous downhills. That's how it looks. It's very, going to be very, very wet underfoot. Some of the fields have got puddles in. They're underwater, basically.
Yeah.
But we're doing St Albans to Codicote today. This is one of the longer legs on the Hertfordshire Way. 13 and a bit miles, but very not flat.
Is this a village?
Yeah, Sandridge, just down there.
Cheers, thank you.
Breathe in, you'll be alright.
I need to take my trekking poles again. So
Yeah.
for the sole purpose of whacking you over the head.
Yeah. So for the record, further back, we actually did a mile in just over 18 minutes. Quick as go.
It's your crescent.
It is my crescent. And there is actually a story here. It used to be, it was a cousin of my nan's, was a parish councillor.
Right.
And when they built these houses here, they called it Hopkins Crescent after him.
Right.
So it actually has some history in my family. Strange world we live in, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's Sandridge, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Sandridge or Sandridge?
No, I think it can be Sandridge, I call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be either. But yeah, this is has some links to my past in my family tree. This bit.
Cool.
There you go.
So is it upside down?
It is. So the landlord is in distress. I think we should go in and rescue him.
Yeah, it's not the Union Jack, it's the
No,
Union,
it's the
flag. And I think the thick white bar is going to be at the bottom.
At the top.
At the top, yes,
At the
it's
top,
at the bottom.
yeah.
Anyway, we're still in Sandridge.
Just
But
leave it.
to go
On the way
through the
out.
church.
Past the church. Down this side.
So not officially on the Hertfordshire Way, but prettier, and it cuts a corner.
Yeah. Takes about 10 yards. But it is a prettier route.
The birds are loud, aren't they?
They are. They're getting excited because it's spring.
Hopefully the microphones will pick them up. I mean, they do their job of noise reduction just a little bit too well for us.
Now this is the bit I thought was going to be all muddy. And it's not.
This bit's been fine.
Fine. I'm hanging on.
Hanging on.
I'm
Right.
hanging on.
God, you idiot, do it again. There was a tree down clearly.
Still there, look. You're walking through it. Well, there's only one idiot here. And it's not you.
So I have to do some research on this, but it was at the time of the Roman invasion, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think allegedly there was a battle between the Britons and the Romans, and maybe Mr. Caesar was involved, but whether there's any truth in any of it is open to conjecture, really. But it is ancient
and pretty impressive. As we go in, you'll see the sides getting steeper and steeper. Pretty impressive bit of digging, isn't it? That goes up a long way on both sides. Just a short section, and then it pops into Wheathampstead. A tiny section of boardwalk, thank you, on the dry bit.
Why just this bit?
Yes. Wheathampstead Heritage Trail. Yeah, the fort would have been basically over those fields. To your left there, Tim.
Yeah, it's slightly higher ground there, isn't it? White thing.
White shiny thing.
White shiny thing in the sky. You don't know what it is. Not seen it for a little while.
Yeah, shadows.
I've got a shadow. That's scary.
Still.
All joking aside, there's actually some heat in that side.
Yeah.
So we've left Wheathampstead. We're heading up towards St Lawrence, where there is a blue smudge, which we're not going into.
Oh, that one is
one of the best pubs in Hertfordshire.
Yes. Like walking on soft sand and stuff, or mud. And one step forward and half a step back.
It's better up here. Not.
And it's that sticky mud that makes your boots get heavier and heavier.
To be fair, I expected this everywhere all day today, and it hasn't been. So.
No.
So in the comments, can someone explain to me why at every gate you always get this?
Yes, it seems to be. It's a feature, isn't it?
It is. Is that what it is? A feature? Come on, I'll let you through.
You're so kind, sir.
I am. Breathe in.
Oh, it's lost its latch.
It has. This will be a bit better along here.
Yeah. It's about 1k to lunch stop, isn't it?
Yep.
Ready for this lunch stop now. By the church, isn't it?
Yep, just in front of the old church.
Impressive old ruin, isn't it?
Mm.
Let's have a little look inside. Intriguing little doorway, which, yeah, bottom end of a staircase there. Very popular pub, this, for a very good reason, isn't it?
Oh no, I wouldn't recommend it.
It's probably the best pub in Hertfordshire.
It is.
The Brocket Arms.
Yeah, for anyone who with children or grandchildren, it's also to be recommended, as well as for their good beer and their good cider. They've got miniatures, well, not a zoo as such, but lots of animals in the quite large garden at the back, in the beer garden. So, be highly recommended.
Yeah, very old, isn't it?
Oh yes. I can't remember the date exactly, but it goes back a very, very long way.
Yeah.
So we're just descending into the Mimram Valley. That's Codicote bottom, just down there. And then whichever way you go, it's uphill into Codicote.
It's quite a big push, isn't it?
Yeah. That's alright.
Well, that's it. No more than this. It's about the same coming down and up, so it's not that much of a push, is it?
No. But Mimram, one of the few chalk rivers, is it in the world or just England? No, it's the world, isn't it? There aren't that many. Very clear, fast, well, not fast running, but very clear water in that. And at Whitwell, where it starts, there are watercress beds which have been used since Roman times. There's records of the Romans farming watercress there. And there are other watercress beds along its length because of the clarity of the water lends itself to that sort of farming.
That's the Mimram, very clear. Very tranquil, isn't it?
Look at the clarity of that water though.
Yeah. I wonder if there's some self-seeded watercress.
What, down there?
Yeah.
Looks like it. I'll be surprised. There's some watercress beds only about 3/4 of a mile upstream.
Yeah.
The sounds of spring lawnmowers.
Yes. Oh, yes. I've cut mine twice already.
Oh, I can't cut mine, mine's far too wet.
Oh, is it up, Tim?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to swear at me actually. But whoever did the steps got this one right. You can actually walk up them.
Oh, and there's more. We've reached the top of the hill. Yay! Yay! And the sun is out.
We do be in Codicote, we do be. Well, there's a pub. That used to be a pub. That used to be a pub. That used to be a pub.
That was up.
Is it?
I'm bringing a large stick next time.
I had my hands in my pockets, I didn't notice.
Yes, it was up.
Oh, right.
Up from the Mimram.
Yeah.
But we've done just shy of 13 miles. No, over 13.
Over 13 miles.
Yeah. And we didn't stop for lunch until we'd done 11. I thought, that's not too bad, is it?
Very good going. Don't know what the pace is today, but we haven't done too bad.
Yeah.
So,
Get you in shot.
I'd imagine we've kind of hit nearly 3 miles an hour average. Actually walking.
We started really fast, didn't we?
Yeah.
Then, was it 18?
And we did a just over 18-minute mile.
Yeah.
Somewhere along the line. So. Not bad going. But we're kind of getting back now. Aren't we?
Yeah. So this is literally our backyard now.
Yeah. The next walk is from here to Little Wymondley. I think that's down about 9 actually. It's quite a short one.
Yes.
Yeah. So
hardly worth having a break for lunch.
no, we will do one. Yeah. What, my pork pie?
You want my pork pie?
No, I want your pork pie. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Our little traditions.
Yeah.
So until next time, people.
Catch you soon. Yeah, like and share, as they say.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe and share. There'll be full description of the route, well, and the map underneath. So yeah, see you next time.